Welcome to Beautyistic. Let's talk about a mascara that promises to elevate your lash game without the usual clumps or flakes. The IDUN Minerals Mascara Silfr in brown. If you've been struggling to find a mascara that provides volume, length, and separation all at once, this might just be your solution. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss a detailed, honest review like this one. Mascara Silfr is a mineral-based mascara that aims to deliver both thickness and length to your lashes. This mascara claims to coat each lash with rich pigment, giving you a bold, voluminous look that's clump-free and flake-free. Its innovative tapered wand is designed to separate each lash individually for the perfect finish. It's also ophthalmologically tested and safe for sensitive eyes, making it a standout for those with more delicate skin around the eyes. When I first tried the Mascara Silfr, I was impressed by how easily it glided on. The creamy formula immediately delivered full coverage on each lash, and the tapered wand made it easy to get every lash, even the tiny ones at the inner corners of the eyes. I layered the product a few times, and I didn't notice any clumping or flaking, which was a big win for me. I've tried so many mascaras that promise this, but few actually deliver. The color payoff is rich and pigmented, creating a deep brown that isn't too harsh for daytime wear, but still dramatic enough to make an impact. The formula is also lightweight, which is key in preventing it from feeling heavy or looking spidery. If you're someone who has sensitive eyes, this mascara is a breath of fresh air. It's free of fragrance, cyclic silicones, and harmful chemicals, which means it's gentle enough for daily wear, even for those prone to irritation. Pros: the formula is incredibly creamy, and the brush really separates the lashes, creating a long, full lash look that holds up throughout the day. The pigmentation is intense, and it's perfect for anyone looking to add natural volume and length without the clumping. On the downside, the only downside I noticed is that if you don't take your time layering it carefully, you might find that a bit of product builds up on the tips of the lashes. So be cautious when applying and give it a second or two to dry between layers. As for value, this mascara is priced in the mid-range for a clean beauty product, and given that it's vegan, cruelty-free, and ophthalmologically tested, I'd say it's a good value for what you're getting. While it's not the most affordable mascara on the market, the quality and the fact that it's safe for sensitive eyes makes it worth considering, especially if you're someone who values ethical formulations. I would say this mascara is comparable to other high-end mineral-based mascaras like Bare Minerals Lash Domination, though Mascara Silfr might feel a little lighter on the lashes due to its clean formulation. If you're looking for something that provides a similar effect, but at a slightly lower price point, you could try the RMS Beauty Volumizing Mascara, which also delivers a similar natural lash lift without clumping. However, if you want something more luxurious and are sensitive to harsh chemicals, this might be the better option. When it comes to build quality, the mascara comes in a sleek, minimalist tube that feels durable and easy to handle. It's lightweight, making it travel-friendly without worrying about it breaking or leaking. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this, and if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for customer support, I haven't had a direct interaction with IDUN Minerals customer service, but the brand has a solid reputation for handling inquiries efficiently. Their focus on clean, vegan beauty products shows they're committed to both product quality and customer care. For those of you looking for alternatives, there are a few out there, but honestly, this one stands out due to its clean ingredients and performance. If you're willing to spend a bit more for a product that prioritizes sensitive skin, this mascara is worth the investment. In conclusion, IDUN Minerals Mascara Silfr definitely lives up to its claims. It provides beautiful, voluminous lashes without the clumps or flakes, and it's safe for even the most sensitive eyes. If you're someone who's looking for a clean, cruelty-free option for mascara, I highly recommend giving this one a try. It's well suited to those with sensitive eyes or anyone seeking a vegan beauty product that actually performs. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.